Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we're going to cook menudo. We need 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium onion minced, 2 medium potatoes cut into cubes. I put it in water to avoid browning. 1 medium carrot cut into cubes, 2 red or green bell peppers cut into cubes, 250 grams pork liver cut into cubes, 500 grams menudo cut, pigue or kasim part, salt, calamansi, Knorr seasoning. You can use salt or soy sauce. Cooking oil, Italian seasoning, white pepper, 250 grams frozen green peas. Sorry, you can't see the green peas. 100 grams raisins. Sorry, you can't see the raisins. 1 cup of water. 2 packs, 200 grams tomato sauce. Ladle spoon. Casserole. Marinate the pork with calamansi and Knorr seasoning. Marinate the pork liver with Knorr seasoning. Best to marinate overnight, covered. Put it inside the refrigerator. Preheat your casserole. Put the cooking oil. Sauté garlic and onion. Add the pork. Add water and let it boil. Scum all the impurities of the meat. Simmer for 30 minutes. Add the potatoes. Add salt, white pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add the tomato sauce and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add pork liver, carrots, bell pepper, and green peas and simmer for 10 minutes. Add salt and raisins and simmer for another 10 minutes. There you have it, menudo.
If you'd like me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
You can use the vegetable trimmings for your picadillo.